Hey guys, today I'm going to demo how to add an assignment into your itsLearning, excuse me, into your itsLearning gradebook and then transfer it to IC. So first thing, I'm going to select a task that is going to be graded in itsLearning. I'm going to go up to these three little dots. I'm going to hit Edit Test Settings. I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to make sure the date is correct of the deadline, and I'm going to hit Add to Gradebook. I'm going to connect it, right now it's S2, so connect it to the appropriate term, and then I'm going to hit save. Once I do this, I'm going to go to follow up and reports, and then to gradebook. Over here, if it's the first time you're in the gradebook for that semester, you're going to go over here and select the gradebook. Otherwise, it's going to be already up there for you. So you can see now I have the tasks that are in here that I just added. At this point, then I'll hit transfer. And the first time I'm transferring a new grade, I'm going to select it, the grading period, all that stuff. And then if I had grades in there, I would be able to select transfer. Once I got over to Infinite Campus, I would see there's some uncategorized areas in IC in my gradebook. So I would select those and edit as needed. Hope this helps, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.